Hello everyone, welcome to Ridhimaacreations. Today, let us see how to paint this beautiful mandala inspired acrylic painting of a Dreamcatcher on canvas. If you are a beginner to painting, this is the perfect design for you to start off with. In this video, you will learn various techniques of acrylic painting, so do stay till the end of the video. We also conduct online and regular art and craft classes. Please visit www.ridhimaacreationsartandcraft.com for more details.
Subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video.
These are the materials that you will need: acrylic paints, large and round synthetic brushes of different sizes, and a fine synthetic brush of size 000, some pieces of paper, water, a cloth for wiping off excess paint, and a pencil. The various steps involved in the painting are painting the background and merging the different colors. The second would be to add different variations of shades using the masking technique. Drawing the initial sketch of the design that we want to paint, that is the Dreamcatcher in our case. The fourth would be to paint over the finer details. And the fifth and the final and the most important step is to add finishing touches. So follow along as I take you through each step. If you are on Instagram, do follow me at Ridhima Creations, where I post a lot of creative art and craft content that you won't find here on my channel on YouTube. Also, share your recreation of this painting with me. I would love to take a look and also feature them in my profile. I hope you enjoyed doing this beautiful acrylic painting with me. I have a lot of other acrylic painting videos on my channel, so do watch them. Please subscribe to my channel if you did like this video. Do comment below if you have any queries. I would be glad to answer them. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and visit our website www.ridhimaacreationsartandcraft.com for details of latest art and craft workshops and classes we conduct. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.